5 minutes of push-ups.
This was not my idea. I'm against this.
5 minutes push-ups right here in the house. We're pressed for time this morning, so we got 5 minutes. We're going to work out for 5 minutes. We're doing 5-minute push-ups. You've got 5 minutes. You can do this. We're just working out at home. You can come work out with us.
It's just push-ups, but it's different kind of push-ups.
It's just push-ups. We're going to go 1 minute of each kind of push-up. So we're going to go standard push-ups. So just regular old push-ups, thumbs kind of pointing towards each other. We're going to go wide fly push-ups where we'll put our fingertips way out wide. We're going to do diamond push-ups where you put your hands close together.
And you can do these on your knees.
We're going to do military push-ups where you keep your hands close, but your palms are close to each other. And then lastly, we're going to do man makers, which is where you're going to grab yourself a weight. You're going to do a push-up, and then when you come up, you're going to raise the weight as you come up and do a row.
These you can do without weight if you're just trying to get something in real quick.
Right, exactly. If you have no weight, do it with no weight. Just do a push-up and then raise one arm. Do a push-up and then raise one arm. I'll be doing it with weights. Sarah will go to her knees.
And I'll be using tens.
If you got to rest within the minute, you got to rest. But as soon as you can go again, you go again. If you feel uncomfortable, that's because we're not pro and we're telling you how to do it wrong. Okay, I'm just kidding. We're not telling you to do it wrong.
Okay.
That's going.
We are starting with regular push-ups.
Regular push-ups.
On your mark. Get set, go!
I'll go forward a little bit so you can see my hands.
And on my knees, I am on the top part of my knees. I've got my knees bent on the ground. I'm not on my actual kneecaps. I'm just above them. No idea how many I've done. I don't even care. I hate push-ups. Ah.
Oh, that's 20.
Breathe out on your way down.
Shake them out if you got to. I got 20. See if I can get 20 more in the next 30 seconds.
Hold your abs in tight. Go down as far as you can go down.
That's another 10. I got 10 seconds to get 10 more.
I don't know how many I've done. I don't even care. I got my nose to the ground. 3, 2,
Woo.
next torture time. One
All
time.
right, wide fly. Turn your heel or your heels.
Your fingertips.
Turn your fingertips away from each other. Arms out a little bit wide. If you're using a mat, just go out to the right outside edge of the mat. That's the perfect spot. We're going to go wide fly.
You should feel this everywhere in your upper body. If you don't, then you're not doing it right.
Whew.
Why did you come up with 5 minutes of push-ups?
Whew. Shake it out. Shake it out. You don't want to quit. I'm not sure what that red one is. Oh, it's going to be miscounted. We'll have to keep our own count. That's a rest for 1 minute. We're not resting for a minute.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. What time next?
Diamond push-ups. Hands together real close. This will get your triceps. This one's the hardest. If you got to go to your knees, go to your knees.
I'm already there. Put your chest to the diamond. Come on.
Oh, I'm going to have to go to my knees.
You only picked 5-minute push-ups.
I hate going to my knees. Leave your pride at the door. Unless you have low self-esteem, then you should probably keep it.
I'm swinging my feet. Did not realize that you could use your legs to help you do push-ups. 8, 7, 6.
All right, last one up.
5, 4,
Off my knees.
3, 2, 1.
Gosh. Oh, shake them out. Okay.
This
Military.
is round 4, military.
Military. You've been going for 3 minutes doing push-ups. Keep going. So this is like wide fly. Hands go out a little bit. Arms are going to stay close to your body. This way. Okay, here we go.
Think about your elbows going down your side.
This is really good for your biceps.
Your chest and your triceps and your shoulders. Who are you kidding?
All right, let's see if I can get a rhythm going here. Nope. I got 3.
Okay. We still have over 20 seconds left.
Lay down, stretch it out if you have to. Whew.
Can you tell I don't like push-ups? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab your weights, one in each hand.
Save the best for last.
Hexagonal type weights.
Yeah, round weights these would not work well with.
Unless you had like a super stable ground, I guess.
Push up, then pull. So push up, then pull. Push up, then pull.
I'm doing the push-up off my knee, and then I'm coming up to plank position on my toes to do the raise part. This helps to work your back. Good news is we talked so long we have 30 seconds left.
I don't know about you, but I was doing it when I was talking. Oh, gosh.
Try to keep yourself straight. I'm noticing myself turning a little bit. Try to keep yourself straight as you do your rows.
10 seconds. Do not stop.
Hold your abs in tight.
It's supposed to hurt.
2, 1.
That's 5 minutes.
Of push-ups. If you did that, congratulations. I commend you because I hate push-ups.
Gosh, all right. It's just after Christmas. You're getting all rid of all that stuff. All that holiday goodness.
It's time to get in shape.
Yeah, not first of the year.
That's what I keep telling myself.
Right
It's time
now.
to get in shape.
Okay, we'll see you guys in the
After
next
a while.
workouts. That was 5-minute push-ups. That was fun. I like that one.
Fine. That's not what I call fine.
We gotta go. Make sure to subscribe.